What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Cam back here with another video. I got my cousin Andy over here, and I have Bryan over there. We're just prepping for this video right now, and today we are going to be installing a S&B Cold Air Intake. I have both of the old filter and the cotton filter, but today I'm going to be installing the cotton one. I actually have both, but I'm going to be using this one first. And yeah, let's get started. So one thing we noticed when we opened the box for the cold air intake is look, the size of the filter. Like it's bigger than Andy's head. Let's put it right, but yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's like, look at that. Yeah, he's about to open the box up, and we will compare the AFE with the S&B. Look at that. That is, what do you think, Bryan?
That's a massive filter.
That's crazy. It's huge. All right, so we're removing the old parts right now, and I forgot that I had an Allen key screw, and the other one's the normal one.
Oh,
Bryan's isn't that the cleanest thing you ever seen?
Totally.
So clean. Alright, so this is how black it is. I haven't really touched it in a while. So originally it's like a whitish color, and then you oil it up and it gets kind of red, and I may or may not have cleaned it in a while, so it's kind of looks like crap. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because we're putting a new one in. So
there's a little bit of a bend on that side of the filter.
I do not know how that happened.
How did you get a bird's feather in here too?
No. One time I had a bird just die in here. My dad found it. Bryan's got all the other old parts gone. And we are about to install the new parts.
Check out how restrictive this stock intake is, and this is the same exact intake that was in my Prerunner. So it starts off in the firewall, and sure, there's this curvature that captures the air, but then it curves upward towards this section of the intake, and then the filter goes downward and then curves again towards the throttle body. That is restrictive, whereas with the S&B as well as the AFE intake, it's just straight towards the throttle body.
All right, this is the moment of truth. We are going to close it and see if it fits, because it looks very close. All right. Oh God, that's close. I think we're good. Okay, we're good.
Oh, no way. It barely clears it.
All right, drop it. Just, holy shit.
Whoa.
Holy shit.
It's
like right here.
It's that close.
It's like right here. Alright, so Bryan got the cold air intake installed. It looks pretty good. Really good. This is one of the reasons why I like this filter, because it has this clear cover on it. It looks really clean. It looks very high quality like AFE, and I really like it so far. I can't quite put my engine cover back on because there's a little piece on the cover I might have to trim off to fit it, because it keeps hitting the side right here. Alright, so when Bryan is back, we're going to do a sound test. We're going to check the engine. We're going to make a test for the engine sound, and we're going to do the exhaust sound of the cold air intake. sounds good. I hope y'all like the sound test and the video in general. I think it looks really great. Thank you, Bryan, for installing this. Thank you, Andy, for helping me. He did help me. He helped me with the tools and the recording and everything, so thank you, Andy. And other than that, if y'all have any questions, please leave it in the comments, like and subscribe. And other than that, I don't think there's anything else. Anything to say to the fans?
No. Other than that, he's gonna floor it. He's
Oh
gonna
yeah.
make a lot of noise.
Oh yeah. He says my fuel economy is gonna go up, but I think it's gonna go down because I'm gonna be hitting those very high RPMs. I mean, just look at that. They put it on top. It won't even fit in there, man. Like, that's what is that?